Okay, this is the clip that I'm going to give you guys. It's downloadable. Well, you know that. You probably already downloaded it. I'm in shutter priority, so I could leave the shutter fixed at 1/200. I'm bouncing between f1.8 and f1.6 here because it's a really dark, dreary day. It's probably going to rain soon, so I am going to get out of here. I also have the ISO on auto, but it's down to the base ISO of 100 because it's dark here. So I'm trying to make this clip about a minute long so that you'll be able to judge it on your computers. And I might have said this in the other clip that I'm not giving you. The reason I'm giving you this one is because the other one I recorded in HLG and it's going to look all blown out on your monitors and you'll have to apply a LUT. You don't want to do that. Let's make it simple. So this is just standard profile. If you also want to see what standard Sony colors look like coming out, these are it, and that is a minute.